Hong Kong, a court in Myanmar extended the detention of 2 Reuters journalists for another 14 days, despite international condemnation of their arrests as an attack on press freedom. The journalists, UWA Lone, 31, and U Kai Aso Oo, 27, were arrested while reporting on Rakhine State, where Myanmar's military has taken part in a campaign of killings, rape and arson that has sent over 655,000 Rohingya Muslims fleeing into Bangladesh. The 2 were charged with violating Myanmar's Official Secrets Act, a broad colonial-era law that carries a maximum sentence of 14 years. MRWA Lone and Mr Kai Aso Oo were arrested on December 12 after having obtained photographs from residents of a village in which, the army's chief said, a mass grave was found. The arrests came just weeks after a judge sentenced 2 other foreign journalists, their interpreter and their driver, to 2 months in prison on charges of filming with a drone without official permission. On Tuesday, the police dropped additional charges that were filed in that case, which could pave the way for the release of the 4 in January. MRWA Lone and Mr Kai Aso Oo appeared briefly in court in Yangon, the country's largest city and former capital, on Wednesday. They were allowed to meet their families for the first time since their arrests. Luckily, I had chance to talk with my husband, Pan Ei Monday, the wife of Mr. W.A. Lone, said after the hearing. Even though they didn't mistreat my husband did not do anything wrong. He is doing his job professionally. I just want my hubby to be released soon. Reuters would not say what specifically the reporters were pursuing when they were arrested. But Stephen J. Adler, the news agency's president and editor-in-chief, has said the 2 journalists were performing a crucial role in shedding light on news of global interest, and they are innocent of any wrongdoing. The United States, which has cultivated closer ties with Myanmar in recent years, called the arrests highly irregular. The Secretary General of the United Nations, Antonio Guterres, said the arrests were reflective of eroding freedoms generally in the country.